It's not working. Okay. This is Jumping Jacks from Korea. Well, China, wherever the fuck it is. Kyle, go ahead. As you can see, we already demolished my yard. So far. Kyle, just do it!
Shut up.
No! Dumbass. Ooh. Ben, hold this, you videotape.
I always have to videotape.
Yes. My turn. Nope, my turn. Give me my lighter.
Grab the paper. Give me a lighter. I don't have it as I am.
Stop dropping the papers on the ground, Misha.
It's not fully. You still be recording it. All I gotta say is, Cody, I know you're gonna be mad.
Why?
You don't like me doing dangerous shit like this.
Dangerous?
This is dangerous, Misha.
You know what I meant.
She's just a little
You ready, people of America? That's this fire. And here's my steam. These things stink.
You should give me like 2 packs.
What, doing it at the same time?
No,
He's separating them.
so I can take them home.
Hell no.
I'll give you some of mine.
Those are in the wall at the high school.
That's besides the point.
He loves them at the high school.
Not my fault the cops are running around.
I'm gonna do 2 packages at once.
And that's why it's that.
And that's why you're retarded. It didn't work! Fuck logic. Go get those.
Hold this. Give me a lighter.
She just felt like doing that.
Record that, not me.
One of them was very explosive. Are you still recording?
That's gonna ask where the hell we got all these from.
How would you even light up?
I had them.
Oh, shit. These things will be like awesome at nighttime.
Yep.
That's why I'm saving the rest for night.
What the?
Saving the rest of these.
I like took off underneath the porch.
Not near the car, please.
Fully. Kyle, let me see the lighter after. I'm gonna do this.
Whoa!
That one went in the neighbor's yard.
That was awesome! Man, that's what the hell that was.
It got stuck. That's why.
I don't know how old these things are.
5, 6 years old.
Hang on, one's still on fire. No, it's not. Okay. Ready, Ben?
Mhm.
Grab that paper right there.
God damn it.
Trying to kill
Kyle,
me?
do that one.
Almost took my head off. Give me this.
No,
I'm gonna
do that one.
I'm gonna do it both at the
No,
same
I'm
time.
gonna do it.
I'll do it for you.
No.
Let me set it up for you, dumbass. Let me set it up for you.
No.
You have no experience with
Yes
fireworks,
and
do you?
no. So do it.
Okay.
Give me that. Give me my lighter. Give me my lighter.
I smell a rubber burner from my shoe.
Oh my god.
Wait a minute. Stop.
You're crazy, Kyle.
See what happens when you get near me?
Clean it up.
You know, it's called cleaning it all up for some reason. You don't do it again.
I'm not done yet.
It's awesomer when you take it apart and find it. But of course, you being a blonde is gonna do it.
Screw you. It's not my fault. I'm a blonde. It's really not.
You won't, no.
No!
Give me.
That's it. Die!
One flew.
Look at all this smoke.
Yeah, I think that's enough.
For now.
So somebody calls the cops?
Guile!
That's what I'm afraid of.
Was that jumping jacks?
No.
Ben, how was it?
Interesting.
Let's do it again. No.
We'll do it later. We will have another video up later tonight. Goodbye.